to begin with, I just want to ask, on record in month of January, you were worried, you were concerned, and after that you have given a call to your agents. So now 4 months down the line, results are out, Q4 results are out, FY25 results are out. So how much you are worried now, or results are better than expectation, much better than expectation, or your concerns are same only?
You see, if you see changes in product regulation, that came in Q3. From October 1st, 2024, it was effective. And since we have a very large agency organization, these changes, those affected our products, because we have to redesign our products, reprice product. So somehow our agents took time to adjust to the new regulatory changes. So that impacted our Q3 result. And somehow that spilled to Q4, though towards end of Q4, February second half and March, we did exceedingly well, for which today's result, that is showing very good growth rate.
Share of non-par in individual APs increased from 18.3% to 27.69%. So what is your target for FY26, and are you happy with 27.69% share of non-par?
You see, non-par share has shown 50% growth, more than 50%. Yes, and from 18 to 27%. In coming days, my sense is in the current year, we are expecting some further growth in non-par share to AP. Further growth will be there.
So 30%?
It will go beyond 30% also. That is our expectation.
We know will above 30%. Yes, sir.
Exact figure, it will be difficult, but
you are
objective
hopeful
is,
that
since already we have achieved 27% plus, objective will be to achieve much more in non-par share in the current year.
Okay, sir. So VNB margin, because in month of May only you completed 3 years of LIC listing. During listing, your VNB margin were at 9.1%. 3 years down the line, VNB margin is 17.6%. This year we have seen a growth of 80 basis points. So mainly this is due to the focus on individual non-par products, or what other changes you have brought in?
You see, we have redesigned all products. Post listing, our product design and all other things also we took care, so that there are certain products which give a margin. So from 9% to 17.6% in 3 years time, and last year it was 16.8, and 80 basis points in 1 year we have demonstrated. Though in the market you must have observed, it was very difficult year, last year was very difficult, but despite that we have shown some growth in margin.
So sir, 25% target, when we can see that 25% VNB margin in FY27, FY28, or you are hopeful in FY26 also?
The objective will be to demonstrate further growth in VNB margin, but it will be very difficult to give any specific number or a specific year. But current year, definitely our objective will be at least 2-3% plus over whatever we have done.
Sir, if you talk about FY25, how much profit booking you done in equity markets, and how much was the investment in equity market during this year?
Investment in equity market, I think it is more than 1,20,000 some crore, exact figure will say. And profit booking last year, as I told yesterday, I think we have told 47,000 crore, something like that.
Okay, in equity market.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sir, we have seen that now a market share on a premium basis is around 57%, around 2% dip. So are you comfortable that going ahead you will maintain this market share? What number you are targeting for the market share?
You see, market share, when more players are there, because the growth rate which small players will achieve, it will be very difficult for large base like LIC to achieve that much growth rate, because market share is a function of growth. But having said that, we have our internal strategy. We should not go below certain market share, certain share in the market. That is our strategy. And we are now focusing more on profitable growth. That is our focus. Post-listing, profitable growth, so that we give value to our shareholders, we give value to our policyholders. As you have seen yesterday, we also declared more than 56,000 crore bonus to policyholders. Policyholders are par policyholders, so participating policy. So 56,000. So both we are taking care. We are taking care of policyholders as well as shareholders.
Okay. And sir, from you said that Q3 was very much challenging due to the new regulation IRDA implemented from 1st of October 2024. So due to the new regulation, how much it has impacted your profitability, and the dip in number of policies is due to the new regulations only?
No, actually it took time, because any regulatory changes to acquaint our field force, it takes time. That's why Q3 was affected, and that is reflected in dip in number of sale.
Okay.
Because the policy has also come down. You have seen from 2 crore 3 lakh to 1.78 crore. So there was a certain dip because of certain changes, because the agents take time, because the products also changed. Minimum ticket size also went up. So all these things take time, and now current year, now they are falling in line, and slowly we are also slowing some growth. So.
Okay, sir. And sir, one important news from LIC is everybody is eyeing is about the LIC's plan to enter into health insurance space. Previously, you have given a deadline of 31st March, but that could not happen. So what is the latest update about your plans to buy a stake in a health insurance company? Because we know you have said on record that it will be a standalone company, and the share you will be buying, it will be not majority stake, it will be less than 50%. So have you zeroed upon the particular company? What is the latest update about your plan to buy a stake in health insurance?
Actually, that work is going on, and very soon I think that will be finalized. Within 2 to 3 months time, our board will take a call. How much stake will buy, which company will buy, what should be the valuation, all those things, finalization will be done within 2 to 3 months by the board.
Recently, sir, DIPAM secretary has said that they plan to have for PSU companies to comply on the minimum shareholding norms. Presently, LIC has offloaded only 3.5%, and going ahead, although SEBI has given a relaxation to LIC, and going ahead they plan to have a OFS also. So what's your view about the OFS? It will be good for LIC because overall float will increase?
Actually, DIPAM will take decision, and my sense is that will definitely help the market, because of, unless there is a float, very difficult movement, scrip movement is also affected, because people they say we can enter, but how will we exit unless there is a good float. So I think whatever decision DIPAM takes, that will be right decision.
Okay, sir. And sir, your dream project, sir, dive project. So how much work is completed on the dive front? And there were reports, that I also reported that for agents you will be launching it soon. So how much time it will take, and the final dive project, by when it will be operational?
You see, dive project last 1.5 year, 2 year, we are working on that, and now almost finalized. All milestones will be achieved. I think Q2 onwards, milestones will be achieved. So many milestones are there. And particularly for agents, already we have launched a Sales Sathi app, through which everything, whatever agent needs, everything, starting from plan presentation, all those things are there, A to Z for agent. And that is also getting traction within agents. More than 4 lakh agents, they have downloaded that app. So Drive project results will be visible in the current year 25-26, and people will feel, customers will feel, agents, everybody will feel that Drive is giving some result.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, my pleasure.